Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Alstroemeria. It's coming back into favor. Yes, on trend again. And what I love about Alstroemeria, it's the chameleon of the flower world. It comes in so many different colors, so many new varieties available, and it's super long lasting and sturdy. Oftentimes, if you've been in school, we've plucked the feathers, the ones that have the freckles on them, and used that in corsage work. It holds up beautifully. Just plucking them out and then gluing them into your work. Even better though, once you do that, pull out each of the feathered petals, you have yet another bloom. Gives you a total different look, a very creative touch. Doesn't shorten the life, it just changes the appearance and gives you this beautiful lily type bloom. Looks totally different. Be sure to save all of the freckled pieces. Use those in your other work and go ahead and design with the chameleon blooms. Now you know how the pros do it.